Beautiful day today, -15. Checking the line today. Last 12-13 days has been not much moving. One coyote. Wolves don't want to show up, so that's fine. So we're gonna start laying down some footholds down, maybe lay a couple snares, and hopefully we'll get back after these wolves. Only time will tell. All right, guys, let's get at her. Well, guys, first box set of the day. Looks like I caught something, but not. I got a bunch of tracks around here. Looks like cat tracks. Or whatever the case is. Let's see what's in this trap. Oh, look at this. Another marten. Yeah, buddy. And he came from underneath, from right there. Another one in this spot. See, we got something circling here on. Cool. All right. Let's pack her in. Well, guys, at my second box set, and looks like we got something here. The rope is pulled tight. So what do we got here? Bingo! Look at this beauty. Pretty big marten. Put a squirrel in there for bait. Hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. We're hooked up. 2 marten today. It's pretty good. I got one more box to check. And pretty good. Now, let's hope the wolf situation is happening. Hasn't been much activity, so let's get at her. Well, guys, we're at station number 1 for the wolves and the birds in here, but that's all I can see so far. It's not a lot of activity in here. Again, we just got another couple more inches of snow. And yeah. Oh, looks like we had a coyote back in here. I think I got 2 snares back here. One there and one there. We'll go take a look. We'll go take a look, see? Alright, guys, I'm just gonna go to the back door here, see what we got. But a lot of traffic in here. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Yeah, I don't see anything unless it's buried underneath snow. But I'll turn you guys back on if there's a catch. It looks pretty dry. Well, nothing in the back door. So let's go check this. 2 other snares. Unbelievable. 0 tracks at all back there. Okay, I'm gonna cut you guys out here. I hate bushwhacking, but that's what I gotta do. Well guys, we're on station number 2. Doesn't look good. She's pretty dry here, man. We got a few birds back in here, but she's dry. There's not even no coyote sign. I know it just snowed, but let's go take a walk back here, see what we might have something back here. Yeah, nothing. Snare still hanging. Gee whiz. Oh, looks weird. Oh, we did have a coyote back in here. How come it didn't hit my snare? Huh? What a bugger. Alright, let's go check the back snares. See what's going on there. Well guys, big goose egg today, besides the 2 marten. So, life goes on. We're gonna be checking the east corner, see what happens over there. Hopefully the wolves are running on that side, and if they're not running, there's nothing I can do. Just gotta find them, locate them. But once they find my baits, I'll have a little treat for them. So, life goes on. Wah wah. Alright guys. Alright guys, we got a freshie here. This is the way I like to see him, right on the side of the road, not in the ditch. Right on, we got bait. More bait anyways. Right on, let's get her in. Hey guys, we're on the line today. We're on the east side. I got 2 sets down this road. It's the logging road. Now, if you guys have been watching, I'm having troubles with the wolves out here. I think it's because of the logging, right? But sooner or later, they gotta show up, man. So we're gonna go check here. I got some bait. Found some highway finds, which is great. Got some good fresh meat. So it's awesome. So been running into some problems, mechanical problems, truck problems. We got vibrations going on. We got engine lights on. We got stuff squealing. What else? We got a trailer problem. The lights don't work. What else? Oh, and if you see, you got a back window here, completely smashed. It's a whole nother problem again. So all it is this, right? The way I see it, I'm probably looking at a couple grand here. Yeah. So time will tell. We'll bring the truck in the shop this week, and hopefully it doesn't stay the full week. And worst case scenarios, maybe my son can borrow me his truck, because my other truck is at the farm and it's staying there. So anyways, let's get moving. Kind of anxious to get on the line and throw some footholds down, maybe a couple more snares, see where these wolves are at. We're checking a total of 4 stations today, and let's get at her. Let's go, guys. Well guys, we're here, first station. Let's go take a look. See some coyote tracks, which is not good, because if the coyotes are in here, the wolves ain't around here. But sometimes I might have a wolf in a snare. So let's go take a look. I see some truck tracks in here. Somebody drove in here. Not what I want to see. And it looks like they were following my footsteps. So let's go take a look. I'll turn you on if we got any hookups here. Alright guys, just set a snare up here. Just found a coyote trail not far from the bait here. Fresh sign, so I will bet you I'll have a coyote in here within the next 7 days. Probably 3 days, but we'll say 7. Right on. Gonna set another 3 more snares back in here. We'll have hookup. I know that for a fact. So just gotta wait on time. All right, guys. All right, guys. Station number 2. Station number 1 had Zippo, a couple Coyote tracks, and that's it. So let's take a look at this other station here. I don't see a lot of sign in here, but again, it's been snowing all week. A little bit here, a little bit there, and yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna turn you on if we see anything here. So, all right. Well, guys, this is not really good. Got one more snare to check here. Some Coyote tracks. Not much sign at all, man. It's kind of sad. This is what I'm telling you about what these wolves will do to you. They'll bring you to an extreme high, and then they'll cut you off and get you down to the lowest of lows. So, let's go check this last snare here. I don't see no snare. What do we got? Oh, we got a Coyote. Well, guys, here he is. Not a bad looking Coyote. Bush Coyote anyways. Decent back. Yeah, decent. And bush Coyote. Last snare. Back in there. Well, I got some thinking here to do, man. Where are these wolves? Is it because of the disturbance? What's going on? Well, we got those 2 other stations I gotta go look at from here. So I might set a snare or 2 in here somewhere. Just don't know where yet. Gotta think about it. My thoughts are, if you're a wolf, where would you go? There he goes. Shit around. Well, guys, we're on station number 1. Saw some fresh sign on the main trail, and it looks like somebody was in here with the vehicle. Surprise, surprise. No fresh wolf sign in here, but my one snare that I do have on this spot is pushed down. So something that's in a little bit of a tight spot. So something went through, pushed it down, and yeah, I continued on. So on we go, second station. I gotta figure out what I want to do here. See if I play some more snares or put some footholds down. It was starting to rain and then snow, and now the odd flurry now. So I don't know what the hell is going on here, but let's move on. All right, guys, I'm gonna put up 2 footholds on this station. It's the difference between a MP 750 and a coral wolf trap. Huge difference. Better jaw strength. Closes a bit higher. No toe catches. You're gonna catch your foot in there. All right, I'm gonna set her up here. All right, guys, here's my setup here. I'm gonna put some lure over there, right where that footprint is. Crazy bird. All right, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna put some lure right here. We got drags on these corals. We got them bagged up. So I got this special lure here, homemade, one of a kind. We'll see if this stuff works. I'm gonna cover up traps, put some lure down, and we'll see. Maybe we'll have a wolf in here. All right.